Hey guys, so today on the farm we had a little excitement, something that normally doesn't happen. We had a guy come in and clear out some stone piles for us. He had a big, nice new John Deere 270 excavator, and he brought along two rock trucks with him. Myself and the guy I work with, we were running the rock trucks. I've never run a rock truck before. It was pretty cool, pretty different experience. But we're coming up to winter here on the farm, so videos will be winding down. Not too much going on besides snow blowing and feeding some cattle. But I do have some videos from last year when I was in Australia working on a farm down there. So I'll every once in a while I'll pop one of those up. So you guys that have never been to Australia, I advise you go. It's an awesome time, and you'll never get an experience like it. This will kind of show you the farm life down in Australia. So I'll get those up in the next few weeks and whatnot. And as always, guys, rubber side down and keep smiling, alright?